Annalise, hello my dear, very warm welcome to this meditation today. Rachel, Ananda, Astrid, Christia, great big digital hug to you guys. Lovely to see you. Isn't it a beautiful day? Spring, summer is coming. Jennifer, Fiona, the tribe are arriving. Hello guys. Let's take a nice big breath together. Let's get connected, settle into the moment. I'm going to enter a little bit of meditation, some silence, some stillness and recharge, rest and recharge. Find that theta wave frequency. We're all into frequencies these days. Hi Astrid, hi Ananda. All right, before we dive into the meditation, what I'd like to share with you is a reminder about the June the 10th. Put that date in your calendar because we're going to be doing a Dyad workshop, some self-inquiry. 5 hours Saturday morning from 10 till 3 in the afternoon. We're going to be doing some inquiry work together. And I tell you what, for me, the most powerful tool for creating or initiating transformation and change is Dyad's self-inquiry. We're going to mix it with some movement and some creativity. We're going to have lunch and some meditation, some sharing. But if you want to do some inquiry into the issues that are the barriers that we have built against connecting to your essential self, come and join me, June the 10th. Links in the bio. All right, I have a beautiful meditation idea. It's so simple. It's so simple. And something that where it was born from was some clinical research that I came across by scientists who have found that when we are in meditation, we create theta waves. Theta is the brain waves, the frequency that we create when we're relaxed and calm and deep sleep in meditation. And what they found strengthens those frequencies and enriches them, in a way, generates them, is when we focus on more than one thing. So we're going to use that in today's meditation, and I'm going to create some guidance, and we do it anyway. But what I've also found is that when we're more aware and conscious of what creates change within us, it somehow becomes more powerful. Okay, so let's dive in. And it's kind of like a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you know, kind of counting backwards into this state of beautiful stillness. So we're going to start by keeping your eyes open and just connecting with your environment and observe it. Observe it. But from a place of relaxed awareness, not labeling, criticizing, judging, making comments. Let the mind do its thing in the background, but the main focus that you have is simply to look around you and just notice what's there and relax with it. Now what's nice is if you have something nice to look at, like if you see a plant or a flower, or a picture on the wall, or just a colour. And you just find 2 or 3 things and you explore them with your vision, with your awareness. And this is a beautiful way to move into a relaxed state. To let go of any thoughts of the past, because then you start to move into the present. And when we start moving into the present by just simply looking around from a place of relaxed awareness, we start to become more connected to our inner world, to what's going on within and around your body. Now you can keep your eyes open or you can close them, but then you notice, what do I feel in my body? Is it relaxed? Is there any tension anywhere? You start to explore. You come across the motion of your body, its natural rhythm. When you're breathing, the beat of your heart, the flow of your blood. And you relax with that. So there's an attitude that's very important in this. It's having the attitude of falling asleep, of letting go. So when there's no resistance, we're not trying to solve anything or, understand or label or judge or criticize or figure it out. It's simply from a place of relaxed awareness, this attitude of non-resistance, accepting whatsoever is alive in you in this moment and observing it. So we go from the outer world, observing the outer world, and then we start observing the inner world. Wherever your focus goes, wherever your energy flows, it can be a breath, it can be a sensation, it can be a feeling in your heart. You may even rest your hand there and feel the beat. Is it beating quickly or slowly, or hopefully it says beating. And relax. But holding your attention there. So being aware of whatsoever you're connecting with in the body, and at the same time expanding your awareness to include whatsoever is arriving through the sensation or the sense of sound. And start listening. Still with this relaxed awareness, or not judging or complaining about any noise. A car goes by. It's a car, just let it go by. It's nothing personal. You just hear the sound, let it go. And there's a gap, and another sound, and another gap. Another sound. You're still aware of the breath, you're still having some awareness of the body, relaxing, being still. But also aware of sounds. And maybe you start to hear some sounds you didn't notice before. The sound of a bird, or the air conditioning. Become more open. Start to relax a bit more. Breathing might slow down. And then expanding your awareness a little bit more. Aware of the body, aware of sounds. And as you breathe in through the nose, are you aware of any smell? Is there a scent in the room? Maybe there's nothing. But you bring your attention to being aware of scent. You maybe notice if air is flowing through both of your nostrils, or maybe one side is blocked and one side is more open. Just being aware. And still connecting to the body. Still listening to sounds. Becoming more aware especially as we breathe out. When we breathe out, the body relaxes, energy expands, and awareness increases. There's more energy flowing into the moment, into the here and now. You feel that lift. And then you expand your awareness a little more, and you check in with the sense of taste. Is there a taste in your mouth? Maybe some tea you were drinking, coffee. Or nothing, simply the ghost of something you had earlier. Doesn't matter what's there, just being aware of it. The sense of taste. And with each out-breath, notice the body relaxing, energy expanding, awareness increasing. And still hearing sounds, still aware of smell, the flow of air as it moves through your nose, the experience in your mouth, the taste, perhaps the saliva, swallowing. And then you start to become more aware of the flow of energy. It might be in your hands, along your spine. It might arise in the heart space as a feeling. Subtle joy, joy of being. A moment of appreciation. Moment of stillness. And that's a sign your frequency is changing. You're moving into a more coherent place of calm presence. Your immune system's being boosted. Your body's relaxed. The feeling of lightness. And at the very center of your experience is this consciousness, this feeling of I am, observing, flowing, watching. This relaxed awareness. Just hold that connection for a moment without thinking or doing anything with it. Breathe in that stillness. Stay aware. Relax. So a beautiful sound to end a beautiful meditation. It's a real pleasure and a joy to connect with you in the virtual sanctuary, this space where we join together and create a field of silence. I love it. Thank you so much for sharing your presence today. I very much look forward to connecting with you again somewhere along the path in the next session. Maybe I see you on the 10th. Come and join me for some inquiry. You will not be the same afterwards, I guarantee you. Okay, so thank you so much. Namaste, Gaso. I will see you in the next session. Take care. Namaste, Flow Monkey. Love the name. Love that name. Thank you, Ananda Yoga. Take care. Thank you, Catherine. Namaste. Lots of love to you, my dear. Thank you, Fiona. I hope you had a great time in the woods today. Or was that yesterday? Thank you, Flow Monkey. Thank you, Kinga. Oh, lovely to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Looking forward to coming to Switzerland soon. That was going to be great. Thank you, Astrid. Great big hug to you, my dear. Hope you're doing really well. Martin, likewise. Namaste. Christia. Hope you guys are doing really well and having a beautiful day. And that the sun is shining where you are. Summer is coming. Yes. Can't wait. Take care, my dears. And I'll see you in the next session. Namaste.